Hey guys, this tutorial will show you how to add custom deactivation reasons for your WordPress plugin using Appsero. Firstly, you want to make sure you have already integrated Appsero SDK to your plugin or themes. We have a video on how this is done, so be sure to check the link in the description box below. Now from your Appsero dashboard, click on Plugins and select your developed plugin. Now navigate to Settings and Deactivation Reasons. Now set the title for Custom Deactivation Reasons. Click Update Reasons when you are done. Now add the custom reasons for your plugin or theme through the SDK. The variables for ID is the deactivation slug. Text is the deactivation title. Placeholder will show the text area field. And lastly, the icon represents the SVG icon with the size of length and width of 23. After setting up the reasons in the Appsero dashboard, map them in your plugin or theme using a filter hook. Now when deactivating a plugin, if I click on Others, the custom deactivation reasons will show up. For more videos on managing, licensing, and deployment of your WordPress plugins, be sure to check out appsero.com or contact us for more information.